Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I am back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to change notification dismiss time on your Windows 11. So for this guys, you can follow this easy and very simple method. First you need to open your Windows settings, hold Windows key button and press I. So this is the shortcut key to open your Windows settings. Okay. In the Windows settings, in the left panel you can get the option accessibility. As you can see, just click and open it. Okay, and in the right panel find out visual effects. As you can see, just click and open it. And here guys, you can get the option dismiss notification after this amount of time. So if you want to change the notification dismiss time, just extend this option. Here you can get the option 7 second, 15 second, 30, 1 minute or 5 minutes. As you can see, so just I want to set it for 1 minute. When was notification arrive in my Windows 11, it will dismiss after 1 minute. Okay, so from here you can easily able to change the dismiss notification time on your Windows 11. So that's it for today guys, the short and very simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys don't go back without like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.